Access the official Microsoft website to download Office. I will include all the links and procedures in the description of this video. Firstly, we need to create the folder where we will decompress the installer. Now, let's copy the folder path. We will use the command prompt as an administrator. We access the folder using the command cd in the path that has already been copied. To list the contents of the folder, we use the dir command, which assists us during the installation. For online installation of Microsoft Office, we use the following command. We now need to choose the Microsoft Office version to install. For our case, we will install Microsoft Office 365 version. I kindly ask for your support by subscribing and liking the video. And I chose 64-bit because, as you can see, my system is 64-bit. We can also download an offline installation using the following command. We choose the Microsoft Office version to download and install. We can verify if the download has been initiated in the folder. Now, let's try out the installed version.